Did you know most people lose hundreds of dollars every month without even realizing it? Small daily habits, food delivery, unused subscriptions, impulse shopping, all quietly drain your money. But the good news is, you don't need to be rich to save money fast. In this video, you'll learn simple money-saving habits that smart Americans use every day to keep more cash in their pockets. And the best part? Most of these tips take less than a minute to start. Let's begin. Tip 1, track every dollar. The first step to saving money is knowing where your money actually goes. Most people check their bank balance, but they never track spending. For 1 week, write down everything you buy: coffee, snacks, online shopping, subscriptions. You'll quickly notice where money disappears. Awareness changes everything. Tip 2, stop impulse buying. Here's a simple rule. If you want to buy something, wait 24 hours first. Most impulse purchases happen because of emotion, not need. After 1 day, you'll often realize you didn't even want it that badly. This one habit alone can save hundreds every month. Tip 3, cancel unused subscriptions, streaming apps, gaming memberships, fitness apps, music services. Many people pay for subscriptions they barely use. Take 10 minutes today and cancel anything unnecessary. Even saving $20 a month becomes $240 a year. That's real money. Tip 4, cook more at home. Ordering food feels convenient, but it destroys budgets fast. Cooking at home is one of the easiest ways to save money. A restaurant meal might cost $20. The homemade version, maybe $5. That difference adds up quickly. Plus, home-cooked meals are usually healthier too. Tip 5, use cashback and rewards. Smart shoppers make their spending work for them. Cashback apps and reward cards can give money back on things you already buy. Groceries, gas, online shopping, even small rewards add up over time. The key is simple. Never spend extra just for rewards. Use them wisely. Tip 6, avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest financial mistakes people make is of clothes. Luxury upgrades. Instead of increasing spending, increase savings first. Act broke while building wealth. That's what many financially successful people do. Tip 7, buy used when possible. Not furniture, cars, electronics, gym equipment. Many used items work perfectly for half the price. Smart people focus on value, not showing off. Tip 8, set automatic savings. Saving money becomes easier when you remove emotion from the process. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings every payday. Even $10 or $20 weekly matters. Consistency beats perfection. Over time, small savings grow into something powerful. Tip 9, avoid emotional spending stress. Boredom, sadness. These emotions often lead to unnecessary shopping. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I just emotional right now? That simple question can protect your wallet. Tip 10, focus on long-term goals. Saving money becomes easier when you have a clear reason. Maybe you want a better car, financial freedom, travel, or a safer future. Every dollar saved today gives future you more options tomorrow. Think long-term. Saving money fast isn't about being perfect. It's about small, smart decisions made consistently. Most wealthy people didn't become rich overnight. They mastered simple habits like these. Start with just one tip today, because the sooner you control your money, the sooner your money stops controlling you. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to save more money in 2026.